Hi guys, today we're going to be playing Roblox Grow a Garden and 99 Nights in the Forest. This is my friend Sander. Today we are just going to grind. The seed stock. Let's see. Nothing great, but I'll buy some carrots for the new event. Let's go to the garden. Plant the carrot seed. And there, as you can see, I've been grinding on the flowers. Bro, can you just go out of the way? Why there are so many carrots and stuff? Usually they're like 70. What? I'm just going to say I'm recording. By the way, who wanna else play? Look for my official Naruto plays. Yeah, that's my username in Roblox, but my username in YouTube is official Naruto plays games _767. Why you is having so many carrots? For the carrot event, or the carrot event. And we also have a big one. What's this? Oh, it's Tranquil. Huh? You don't know about the carrot event? You don't know about the carrot event? You don't know about the carrot event? Oh, okay. Let me plant carrot.
This green is almost the same green as this dog.
It happens here. It happens here. It happens. Oh my! OMG! What was that, bro? Oh my! Bro just scared me. Oh. Anyone else want a towel? I got a towel right here. I'm gonna trade for something. And where's my friend at? Oh, on the base. Let's check the gear shop. Show me the gear shop. Here. Oh, water guns. Sorted just. Oh, there's a magnifier. But I'm no longer. New stuff, cleaning spray, favorite. Oh, there's where is you, bro? Your garden. Your garden. Oh, yeah. Place down your friend's bucket. Please check gear shop. Check gear shop. Oh, shekels. Bro, free of goods go. Ah.
I'll see you next time. Bye.
Okay, we need seed stash guns pa dyan. Do not answer. Ah, bye. Confirm, bye-bye. Yeah! We can now have four eggs in our garden. Here's a filter of my garden. So, this is my account. Got 11 likes. USA clicks. By the way, I'm from the Philippines. But now this is the two bald eagles. And I don't have any much space but in the middle. And here is all the useful prismatic, and a prismatic. Got 1, 2, 3, and 4 prismatics. One of my beanstalk is really in the back. And I got a huge cactus right there. And this is actually my first big cactus and first big cactus fruit. And I don't really actually want to expand my garden. And whoever is want to trade me with this, we got this big giant sunflower. One of not my random person just give it to me. I don't know why. If we get 10,000 subscribers, I will now finally sell this. Oh, durian. Yeah, it was. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I forgot about my big moon melon. This is actually my first big moon melon too. And it seems like Sanders here. Same, okay. One fruit. One top root. Oh, I actually got caps lang. I'm eating bedspread. What's breadspread? Maybe first big pepper as well. I don't know what fruit to give. Wait. Let me just get this. Yes! Got the big cactus. 36 kilograms, boy. Let's see how much is this worth. Yeah, I'm gonna give this. My first big fruit of cactus. The first big fruit of cactus. Oh, who's Tutu? Wait, let's give her a fruit. What fruit? How much is this tea? Wait, maybe I'm under. Here. There we go. Mango. It's actually. Oh my gosh. Now I'm lagging again. Oh my. Whip Pop has joined the experience. For Sweep Up. Oh wait. Tutu's garden. Oh, Tutu's just a start. Now, bro, Bro, Bro's a tiny beanstalk. Let me inspect his stuff. You only has a beanstalk. You only has a tiny beanstalk. Oh my gosh, you're giant country. Oh, bro, just left immediately. Oh, seed chop. Bang. I got the seed chop. Oh, orange tulips. I need that for my garden. I just need nothing else. I need carrot. One. Cacao plant. By the way, I actually had 2 cacao. So let's plant carrot. Why is there 1 carrot here? Why? Now orange tulip. I got the big orange tulip. Now it's done. We're going to play 99 Nights in the Forest now. Sunday. We're classmates, by the way. Sunday. Wow. Do you guys mind if I use some Tagalog words? Okay. Sana all merong kakao na disco. So let's go play the forest now. Play 99 Nights in the Forest now. Okay. Wow, we got oh. Okay. Bye. Okay. Now we're here. Let's go to 99 Nights in the Forest. Join another public lobby again because we aliens, yeah. I forgot there were aliens. The reports of a deer made standing on 2 legs naturally to I just joined on 7 days. Oh my gosh. Oh my, I'm lagging again. Bruh. There we go. I said people. Oh my gosh, I'm lagging again. You know what? Nope. I don't need it. Oh my gosh.
I'll take over now. Everything's the story, Mum. Alright, quickly now, tell me what's happened.
2 people is turn that is good. Okay. Let's go! Update in 7 hours! I don't know if I can live stream yet, but I don't know. Just can't live stream yet. Long waiting. Now we're here. Go. Whee. Bang 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 bang. I don't have any classes yet, but I will be overpowered. No sapling. Okay. Now we need more wood. Oh my gosh, I'm lagging. Why do I always lag in such games? Ah, why always lag? Too much lag for me. Bang. Hey, come here, come here, come here. Bang. Last hit. Oh yes! Bunny put first try. Now that's what I call it. The master of the luck. I don't know why I call it by that. Oh. I wanna eat. Oh my, it's Tron. My body Tron. But let's put this in here. Who just planted? Okay. Let's go here. There's a chest. Oh, there's something good in the chest. Open. Open sesame. Oh no. Good sack. Let's go. Uh-oh, I will just leave. You can get me up here, don't ya? Yes, another chest. Oh no, it's night. I'm going to spend the night here. A fuel canister! What? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I have to get back. Run! Oh, the deer is there. Taran! 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 Taran!
Yeah.
Okay. There's something you have to worry about in the night, at the night one. You have to worry about the woods or the alpha woods. Because
Naglinis na ako kanina, ha?
just there.
Kung nakapag-walis na, ha? Inalis ko na yung ano.
Softly get over here. We're going to make a defense. Oh, bunny poop. No, no, no. Me keeping the bunny poop. Crap. Crap. Crafting bench too. So we need 5 scraps. Need only 1 scrap.
Here are your activity sheets.
The children spot everything that is on the activity sheet.
I've got a signal box and the tunnel. I can eat
Oh, all flashlights.
trees on the left
Give me that.
are smells. I
Enough.
can see clouds.
Coal.
All clouds in this net.
Oh, and one scrap. Oh no, run away! Oh, yes, the bunny food trader. Bang. Why is there one cooked steak? Let me eat that. By the way, I'm hungry. That's the item, regular red crab. Or by Amatrid. They're called. Oh no, I blasted mine. This one. This one mine. This one mine. Tatarat, tarat, tarat. Bro, I lost something. I lost my bunny food. Eh, eh. Broken jump. Bang. Yes, a bunny food. Thank you. And give me all the flowers here. I love flowers. There we go. Second. Is the guy gone?
The children check the signal box.
No, he's gone.
The signal stopped the train. So
Where is Sander? 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 Bro is this good. What bang? Ah! Craft item 6. Shelf. Let's build it over here. Can jump off. Where's all the food?
breakfast time, Goldie. Mummy Pig is feeding Goldie with fish. Mummy, Goldie doesn't eat. Oh, maybe she's not feeling very well. Let's phone Dr. House to the vet. Dr. House to the vet speaking. Hello, Dr. House. Goldie the fish is not eating. And she looks sad. Oh, you better phone Goldie to see me about it. We can take the bus. This is the bus stop. The timetable says the next bus will be here at 10 o'clock. What time is it now? 10 o'clock. How many tickets? One money ticket and 2 little piggies. And one fish. Fish is bread. Okay. Mr. Fool is waiting for the bus. One ticket for the music shop, please. Hello, Smile. We're taking Goldie to the vet. Oh dear. Very poorly, are we, Goldie? She can't talk. She's sick. Maybe she's like to hear a tune from my
I'm really hungry. Any food? Please, I want food. No, I want food. I want food. Bro, I want food. I want food. I'm hungry. Bro, I'm hungry. Let me have food. Oh, there's my bunny food. Let's put this here. Oh my gosh. Let me. Oh, what's this invisible thing? Dude, I gotta go. Okay. Bye. Bro, we lost one of our teammates. I mean, that was my classmate. Oh my gosh, what is this? There we go. I can now plant it. And peace! There we go. Aww. One of my friends left. Oh, wait. We need another shell. Buy. And buy. Get no more scrap. Yes! Now we can go to the mother ship. 6. So many shells. That's the only problem. One more. Uh-oh. Come. Let's go and raid. Oh my! It's so close. It's so close. Oh no, there's a dog. Wing. Let's go to attack them. Bang. Meow. Listen, friends. UFO jump. Oh wait, it's here. No. We need to read another one. There it is. I found it. Watching. One alien down. Oh, another one. Watching. What's this? sandwich. Why is there no thing? What is that? Bro, what is my furniture? Oh, okay. Okay. Where is the loot? I thought there was loot. Let's go raid another one. It's right over there. Oh no! We'll be attacked to traitors the fire. Oh, there. Ching, 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 ching. Let's go. Laser fence right there. Boom, boom, bang. Boom, boom, bang. Ching, ching, ching. Ching, ching, ching. Ching, ching, ching. Ching, ching, ching. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Skip. We're all ready. We are ready. We are ready. Oh my god. Bang. Bang. Spear. Oh no, oh no. Bang, 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 bang. Ooh, I'm going all out. Oh, ching, 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 ching. Yes. No. I'm brave. Watching, 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 watching. Watching, 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 watching. Wee. Bro, where's that stuff? Oh, good thing my teammate is here. Who's this dead body? Oh no, a wolf is chasing me. Run, yes, we're back. Bunny put! Yay, bye. Revolver ammo. Yay, wolf pen. Another body. There you go. Alpha wolf pet. Oh my gosh, you're hungry. I'm hungry. Wait, let's go kill it. Watching, 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 watching. Watching. Wait, probably this is good. No, let's go.
This time it's 40 electrical cables. Dig up the road! George will love it when Mr. Blue digs up the road. Everyone loves it when Mr. Blue digs up the road. We're Trevor Hollywood to star in my new film, Vegetables in Space. Just find the golden ticket to win the trip of a lifetime to America. So we have to eat heavy lots of mountains. Oh, what's this in the potato? It's the golden ticket. Yes, it means we're going to America. This is your captain's duty. We'll soon be arriving in America. Does anyone know where it's heading? I've never been before. Really big. Let's all. Hello down there. Are you America?
What?
Coming into land.
Crack bed. We need a good bed. Good bed.
Welcome to America.
So we need more wood. Let's get to chopping. Sorry for that long waste of no talking. I was just focusing on the game. And go. Actually, don't need saplings. We only just need wood and scraps. Wow, let's go to... What is that?
America.
Bro, my sister is just actually really annoying. Watching. We actually need... Oh my... Wow. We need stick. So let's go back. We have enough. And I want to stick. See? Oh. Good. We're still here. Then I need to chop this. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, where is it? Got the bandage. Now I'm going to rescue him. You see? Oh my gosh. He is on the second one. Okay, I'm going to revive him. Okay. Oh my gosh, is that the alpha wolf? Oh no. Ooh, sheesh. Oh no. And night is approaching. What is this? Alpha Wolf. Oh no, I don't have. Oh my gosh. And it's night. I need to win this. Ah, 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 ah. Oh no. Yes, I'm back. I'm back. Ooh, let's see. PlayStation 2. Now I need to eat more and more. Oh my. My sister just distracted me. Well, let me eat and eat. I think there's a berry. And more carrots. No, and food. We need more food. Yeah. That was terrifying. If you guys want to see some next videos, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Bye!